In last video, I talked about how to set up a Node.js project. In this video, I talked about our fast Express server. In last video, I showed you how to set up an initial Node project, then took an index.js file, and within the package.json file, I created a start script, which is node./index.js. And if we try to run the project npm start, we can see welcome to Express. Alright, from earlier video, I showed you how to import or acquire a core module. For example, to import or acquire fs module, what we can do, const fs is equals to require and the module name fs. But if you want, then we may import or acquire third-party module, which is installed by npm. Last video, I installed Express. So to import or acquire, what we can do, const Express is equals to require, then the module name. In our case, the module name is Express. This Express module provides us a top level function. We can call this function like this. By calling this Express function, we are creating an instance of our application. That means we are initializing our app using Express. So let's store this instance in a variable const app is equals to Express. You may set any name, but it's a convention to set the name as app. This app instance provides us lots of methods. Out of them, there is a method, and that is get. So let's call the get method app.get. This get method take first parameter is a path string. So let's set the path slash. Don't worry, I'll explain everything later video. I am making the video as simple as possible right now. Second parameter is a callback function. This callback function takes some parameter, and the first parameter is request. Second parameter is response. I hope you already knew about request and response little bit from earlier section. I'll explain more later on. We have a dedicated video for request and response. So let's send a response. Response.send. This is homepage. This app instance also has a listen method app.listen. This listen method take first parameter as a port number. So let's set the port number 8000, and the second parameter is a callback function. Within the callback function, I am just writing a console.log server is running on port 8000. Now save the file, run the project, npm start. We can see server is running on port 8000. Now go to the browser and type http://localhost 8000. We can see this is home page. All right, so we have created a simple Express server. That's all for this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture.